Lease and Order TV. Real tenants. Real landlords. Real justice.
So kind of management versus James Card. All right. Hello. What are you?
Hello. I'm Deanna White.
James Card.
All right. And where are we on this case?
Your Honor, we agreed to a consent judgment. We agreed that the past due rent is $8,026.59. The costs are $220. The total is $8,246.59. The judgment for possession only, and we agreed that they will either pay that or move by July 10th, 2026.
July 10th.
Yes.
Okay. Folks, is that what you agreed to?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? All right. What's up?
We're just hoping July 10th is going to give us enough time to get another paycheck and,
Yeah.
get everything arranged, stuff properly.
Miss White, you look like you have something you want to say to me. What do you want to say to me?
I feel like we would have been able to pay off our debt initially, and we had a payment agreement set up. But then there was a fire at my work, and it took me some time to get into I work at Burger King, different Burger King. And we were doing good on our payments. And then out of nowhere, we get a bill for 3 months worth of electricity. And then a month or two later, we get another bill for 3 months worth of electricity, which also triplicated or it tripled each month too. So the one bill ended up being $1,000 out of nowhere. And although it is a little bit of a mistake on our part, because I guess we were supposed to put the electricity in our name, although I almost could have swore that they told us that we were paying them for the electricity, but that part was still my fault. But it took
All right, look, hang on.
it took 6 months for them to discover that it I don't know, the numbers are just weird, but sorry.
No, I asked you. That's okay. I realize they gave you extra time, but are you guys gonna be able to do this or?
Yeah, we should.
Miss White, listen.
Sorry.
No, don't be sorry.
Appreciate your thanks.
Do you know what you do if you're not able?
Before we moved into this place, we were homeless for a month. We stayed at a campground, and that worked out pretty well.
Okay.
They had all the basic amenities and stuff.
We're not,
Signed the first lease. We were told that we would be immediately available to the apartment that we were moving into. And then when we signed it, we realized that it wouldn't be available for another month, and that's where we had to stay at the thing.
We
gotcha.
thought we weren't going to be able to get in because we had to spend the money that we had saved for the deposit on staying at the campground and rides to and from stuff like that. But they were nice enough. They said we could pay half the deposit up front, and we did. And then we moved in, and we were just going to pay everything back. But then so he had two jobs before we went homeless, and then when we were homeless, I worked a job and then he worked a job, and we have dogs that have separation anxiety, so one of us kind of had to be at the tent at all times. So when he would work, I would stay, and then when I would work, he would stay. So he couldn't work the second job, which was in
That's why. It's okay.
but it was the business down in the building below. Well, same building, but the business below us. And they strung us along for a month and a half saying oh, we're going to put you on the schedule next week. We're going to put you on the schedule next week. And then they never did. And so we fell behind. And then eventually he got the opportunity to pick up more hours at his other job. But then as soon as he got that, a fire happened at my place. And then that set us behind even more. And then we got all the electricity bills that don't make any sense. And
Okay. Miss White, no.
Sorry.
No, you got all kinds of things flying around in your head trying to figure out how. Let me ask you a question. Mr. Card said we agreed on the 10th, hoping that we can get all of this sorted out by then, right? That's what he said, and that's what you said. How much more time do you need to try to be comfortable? You think that you can get this paid?
Oh, what do you think?
Maybe weeks, you know,
An extra week?
yeah. Maybe an extra week, you know,
Like I get paid weekly and he gets paid bi-weekly.
So if you head to the 17th, you think you can get this done?
it'd be a lot easier, yeah.
Yeah.
Because this way, July's rent doesn't click into it. So
Yeah.
I will issue this judgment by consent
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
for the amount that is agreed upon by the parties. I will, however, not issue a writ in this case until July 17th. So I'm going to extend the date one more week out. All right. Then that way, maybe they give you a little bit more time to just get it together. A week, you'll be in that same month. A week is not
Yeah. It'll help out a lot.
going to help you out. Okay. And you were explaining your 3-day right of rescission.
Yes.
You were explaining that. Okay. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right. I'll sign the judgment and then you guys, do me a favor. All right. And that is, I know it's hard. Have a good weekend. Keep smiling. All right, Miss White.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
I appreciate it.
All right. Take care.
Thank you for your time.